Is your TikTok account showing a maximum number of attempts reached? Try again later error on your iPhone while trying to log in? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this maximum number of attempts reached, try again later error on your TikTok account. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your iPhone. Double check your username, email, and password. Solution 1. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove App. After that, tap Delete App. Now go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type TikTok. Now install the app again. Check your issue, whether it's solved. Hope it worked. If you have any questions, then please ask them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.